morning, guys. It's a little chilly this morning. This is what we received from the ice storm of the century they expected here across the eastern part. We were right there on the line here in the eastern part of North Carolina, so we just got a nice little sheet of ice, which you can tell doesn't seem to bother the ducks at all. As you can tell, they're right there in the water. Doesn't bother them one bit. It bothers us, but it doesn't bother them. You can tell somebody laid an egg in the water. I bet you it's frozen. So definitely you're going to be where we have to feed them more frequently today to keep them a little warm. California over there, he's our buff duck. He's a drake. You can tell from the curl on the back. Feel that, and his quack is different. They're sliding a little bit this morning on the layer of ice that we received. So I'm sure some of them will stay and some will go to the pond today. Belle is struggling a little bit. She's got a layer of ice on her because she sleeps in the trees. So anyway, we'll check back with you later. We're going to try to go warm up a little bit inside, maybe make some warm stuff for the chickens because they are struggling.